Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Wala nang paligoy-ligoy kapag may question ka at tingin mo magandang topic yan, i-comment mo dyan dito sa comment section at pag-uusapan natin yung question mo na yan. Kagaya nitong gagawin natin ngayon, ito lang yung sample ha. Itong kay Cash69. Coach, kailan yung time na ipapakita mo yung malambot or cute mo na side? Or ipapakita mo pa ba yun? Meron nakalagay na Sigma. Thanks in advance, Coach. By the way, Coach, ang tagal natin. Ang tagal na din, kaya lahat ng beats mo about social hierarchy and red pill naka-download sa phone ko at pinapakinggan. Always. Thank you, man. Miss Cash69. I really appreciate this comment. At ngayon, pag-uusapan natin, dapat ba talagang ipakita yung cute side ng isang Sigma male or alpha male or anything like that? Una sa lahat, anong cute side ba yan? Okay? Kung ang cute side na iniisip mo is yung pagiging pabebe, pagiging malambot, or pagiging problemadong tao, or alam mo yon yung parang bata na nangangailangan ng kalinga, then hindi cute yan. Ang tawag dyan is pathetic side. Pero sa mata ng tao, cute yung ganyang side. Pero hindi yan, depende kasi, if you really understand what is the meaning of cute side mo, or yung kung ang tinutukoy mo is soft side, hindi yung cute, okay? Because you cannot show to a woman na you are really weak. From time to time, I know na we can suffer from a problem, but I dare you, I advise you, never ever ask woman's advice. Wag na wag kang magtatanong ng, wag kang magsisik ng advice sa isang babae. Just seek some professional who can help you, or talk to your friends na nire-respeto mo, rather than talking about your problem to a woman. I'm being specific here, because if a woman will see you as a guy who doesn't know how to resolve his issue, and you are just asking her for her advice kung paano mo i-resolvehan yung issue na yun, then the woman will view you as a guy who doesn't even know what to do. And they don't want that. Nakaka-turn off yun kapag nakikita nila na hindi reasonable ang guy, hindi siya magaling mag-provide ng resolution, at wala siyang leadership pagdating doon. So, you cannot show your soft side. I'll be honest, there's no such soft side here. Kung meron kang trip na girl, naging girlfriend mo na, or nasa talking stage pa lang kayo, saan man kayong stage sa mundo, you cannot show your soft side. Now, you will ask me, paano nagiging totoo lang ako, nagiging natural lang ako sa sarili ko, and then you're weak. You're such a weak person if you are being true to yourself, pero napaka-soft mo. Then you're just weak. You don't know how to become tough. And that's my advice. Kaya nga, sabi ko, be tough all the time. Just practice that. I'm not saying na lagi kang para kang robot yung mukha mo. Of course, you still love. You're still human at the end of the day. You still love, you still talk, and you can still eat, you can still sleep. You can still be a human. That's my point. However, in terms of soft side, like pag-iiyak, pagiging problemado, or sobrang lambing, I love you, hindi cute yun. Soft ang tawag doon, okay? Pwede ka pa ba mang I love you sa babae? I think pwede pa naman. As long as mas marami yung I love you niya. Kung nakakaapat na I love you siya, kahit isang I love you lang sa'yo, pwede na yun. At least nasasabi mo yan, kung may relationship na kayo, no? But here's my point. You cannot show your soft side. If you will ask me why, parang antigas naman, para naman ba to, it doesn't matter at all. Just show how strong you are and how alpha or sigma you are. Ngayon, pwede niyong butasin yung advice ko, pwede nila sabihin na, sobrang stricto naman ni coach. Na, wala silang alam pagdating sa field. The women are looking for the, something like 2% ng kalalakihan lang ang hanap nila o 5%. Yung mga top guy na yun. Average kasi ng guy is nasa 95 or 98%. Karamihan ng lalaki is nasa 98%, puro blue pill, soft side, cute side daw, kumbaga. Ngayon, kung ang cute side mo is nakakaastig naman, like yung looks mo, medyo cute tignan pero maangas siya, di ba? Parang ganun. As long as parang cute na, limbawa, ang sipag mo sa trabaho, ang cute nun sa babae. O kaya, ang sipag mo sa buhay, ang seryoso mo sa buhay, cute yun sa paningin nila. Iba kasi yung cute na astig dun sa cute na soft. So sana ma-identify mo siya. So ganyan ko lang sasagutin yung tanong today. And lahat na may question, ilagay nyo dyan sa comment section. Para sa mga real men, na-miss ko to guys. Thanks for watching.